Hey, I forbid children to do it, but it's magic. And I know kids might like magic, but this is not one of those occasions. This magic you don't want to have anything to do with until you are serious about a relationship with somebody you care about and somebody that cares about you. Because this is real magic. When there's that connection and them two and that plug and that actual socket connect, it creates a different level of what is that? And you find yourself looking into the clouds and stargazing in amazement, and something happened. There's a transformation. It's like, oh my. And for those that didn't even pray, want to say, oh my God, oh my, like this is so magical. And it's mind boggling, and there's no possible explanation how, when we're disconnected, I don't feel any of this. But when we're joined together, almost at the hip or at the soul or whatever this is, oh my God, this is so magical. And it's not for kids. And what that guy says, silly rabbit, tricks are not for kids. It's not. It's not for kids at all. This is an adult thing. Two people that are serious. Because what happens is when this is over, somebody, if not both people, are going to have some feelings for the person that they was just connected to. And it's going to be strong. They're going to want that feeling to last forever. As a matter of fact, they're going to want it to turn into marriage. But see, here's where the hiccup happens in this conversation, and why the concept of relationships don't work is because both people need to be going uphill at the same pace. It seems like maybe they do, maybe they don't, I don't know. But they need to be going at the same thing. A hill, a climax, a replenishing feeling, a burst of excitement, a small possible yell, something that if you're in an environment that you shouldn't be, you want to. It's magic. It's magic. Love y'all.